Updating your billing information on Grafana Cloud is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account details are current. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Grafana Cloud website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have the necessary permissions to access billing settings. Step 2. Navigate to billing settings. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Update payment method. In the billing section, find the option to update your payment method. Enter your new credit card details or select a different payment option as required. Step 4. Review billing address. Check the billing address associated with your account. Make any necessary changes to ensure it reflects your current information. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your payment method and billing address, make sure to save your changes. Look for a Save or Update button to confirm your new billing information. After completing these steps, your billing information on Grafana Cloud will be updated. Regularly check your account to ensure everything remains accurate.